Yes, guys, look at my feet. I really love it. It's so pretty. Yeah, so I'm going to tag the person that made these very lovely outfits. This is about it. This is what it looks like. It's a short gown. It's a midi gown, really. Just yeah, smoky gown. That's what she calls it, smoky. So anyways, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is BYDALESMITH. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome to the house. And do not forget to watch all my previous videos. I have a lot of juicy stuff there, and please subscribe, like, comment and share. So today's video is going to be an upgraded scarf tutorial, and I know that we are all preparing for Eid, right? So you can actually tie some of these styles on Eid day. Yeah, I also have my previous scarf tutorials. You can go there and select anyone that you feel like really works for you. So let's do it. We want to slay on Eid day. So if you're a Muslim, please say hi down below. Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Enough of all this shenanigans. 5, 4. So I just quickly went over to lay my edges off camera. I have a video on how to lay your edges. Yeah, so go over to my video section and watch it. So for the first style, it's a scarf I tied some time ago when I went out on a date to my girlfriends. So someone actually requested to see how I actually tied that one. So that's what I'm going to be starting with. I'm going to put the picture somewhere here. Yeah, so you can see what I'm talking about. And you guys, it's actually very simple and direct. This is more or less like a base for the other scarf I want to tie. I usually use this volume because I didn't make my hair, so there's nothing to make the scarf that I want to tie firm and look really nice. So this is just what I do whenever I don't have my hair done. If you've watched my previous videos, you would see how I actually come about volume. So go ahead and watch my previous video. This is the scarf I'm using. All of the scarves I'm going to be using in this video I got from Z's Vogue. I'm going to put the handle in the description box so you can go ahead and buy if you want. They're quite affordable. I folded the scarf into 2 equal halves, right? So this is about it. And instead of using this front, this area, I'm not going to be using this side. I love the I call it fringe or the trimmings at the edge, if that works. So now I'm just going to go over and place this over my head like so, and I'll make sure that it's covering the scarf. I'm going to make one side longer and the other side shorter. Now I'm just going to take it to the back and just make a knot. I'm just making a knot. Let me show you guys. Just making a knot. Make sure that the scarf underneath is not showing. You don't necessarily have to use a scarf for your volume. If you have something like all these headbands or ribbons or whatnot, you can always use those. Now I'm going to take this other end like this. I'm just trying to get the fringe. It's 2 sides, so I want the fringe to be on the same line. I'm just going to place it over like this, on top like this, and I'm going to make that into tiny ruffles here. So that's what I'm doing now. Just make the ruffles like this and take it to the back. So that's the first step. So you can see that this side is a bit high and the fringe is just here right in front. So now I'm not going to tie it to this one, right? Neither am I tucking it in at the back. I'm going to take it and wrap it around this bulging part of my head. So I'm going to take it like this, and I'm going to take it up like this. So it's short, which is not supposed to be so that means I have to redo it, because you have to make sure that one side is longer. So always make sure that the one you want to take around and everything is like way longer than this one. You want to make sure that this one is somewhere here. When I said I was already getting it, I'm like, oh, you fucked up. But I'm like, we can fix it. No, you won't be able to fix it. So just do the right thing from the start, okay? I'm just going to go over and remove this, and I will be right back. I'm back here now, just where I stopped before. So yes, that's about it. And see, now this side is longer, so right, I'm going to take it and wrap it around this volume here. So it's important that you have your volume, right? You're going to wrap it like this, wrap it, and then you tuck in. Yeah, you're done. So this is what it looks like. So this side is not just, you know, basic. Gosh, I really love this scarf style. It's so simple and direct, like. So yeah, this is the back and this is the front. This is everything. So for the second style, I'm going to be using the scarf of this dress to tie it, and I just folded this to two. So this is the first fold like this, and then I folded it again just for the front. I didn't do that for the old scarf. So I'm just going to place it like this on my head, right? And that's forward, very close to my brows, right? And I'm just going to tie it. Yeah, so somewhere here, right? See where this is, right? Now I'm going to take this and open it up a bit. I'm opening it up like this, and I'm going to use it to cover that one there. So like this, covering it. Like I'm using it to create like a cover for the part that is coming out. So I'm going to cover it like this, and I'm going to bring this one. I'm going to bring it back like this, right? I'm bringing it back like this, and I'm just tucking it in. I'm doing this for this other side too. So I folded that, and this cap is not showing, right? All I'm not going to do is just tuck the front in a bit, right? So that's why I created folds inside initially, to make this front like a bit sharp. I don't know if you get what I mean. Can you see the sharpness? So I'm making it sharp like this. I'm just going to keep folding it. That's why it's important that you first fold it inside, or you can use a paper, but paper hurts my head, so I'd rather not put paper. It makes me uncomfortable. So I just try to fold it in like this, and yeah, I cannot really see the back, but I'm sure it's covered everything. So this is what it looks like. You know, all that Hausa's vibe going on, and yeah, this is always very nice with Ankara. Like if you have hair, like maybe you did braids or something that is bulky at the back, then you won't have to go through all that. So you just make sure you are covering the braids. That's just the whole technique behind this one. But the major thing you need to make sure you do first is that you fold it inside. So this sharpness in front like this is there, it comes out, gives you that Hausa vibe, and you know, all that shit going on. So depending on how big your scarf is, this is not so big, so I had to fold it twice. You can go ahead and fold it 3 times until you get that thickness, or you can use like a carbon paper or a thick paper, maybe like a cardboard or something, but I don't really like doing that one because it hurts my head. So this is what it looks like from the back, right? And this is what it looks like from the front. So I really love this scarf. It's so nice. And if you want to make things a bit more, you know, dramatic, you can go in with a chiffon scarf. You know, just put a chiffon scarf on top of this. Let me show you. And I'm just going to put it on top, and yeah, you turn it, and that's it. You have this. So yes, with or without is fine. But now let's switch up to rich anti vibes. So for the third style and the final style for the day, I'm going to go back in with my pink scarf. I folded it into 2 equal halves, and I'm also using this part that has trimmings in front like this to be very close to my brows. This time it's not going to reveal my edges, right? And I'm just going to tie it, and make sure that one part is a bit longer. Like this part is going to be extremely short. It's almost the same length, almost, but this side is still a bit longer. Then you secure it at the back then making a knot like this, and then you take this side, making sure that you're revealing the trimmings. So you just put it on top like this, almost like the first one, but you will soon get my point now. And make just tiny ruffles depending on how you want it to look. Make sure the trimmings show to the end. That's the beauty of this one. And then you tuck it in at the back. This is it, right? Just tuck it in somewhere here. This time you have to push your volume inside. Try to push it inside a bit so it's not showing. Now I'm going to twist this other hand like this. Twist. So you're going to take it like this and just put it on top. Twist. Okay, this is everything. I really love the fringe or the trimmings in front, and yeah, you have this style. This is something you can use for Eid. It's covering your ears and also yeah, this is the final style. This is the back. Just make sure you're covering the volume, and if you have your hair done, make sure that the scarf covers it properly, and that's just it. Beautiful. It's so simple and direct, complementing my makeup. The major focus of this style is the fringe here, this trimmings right here. So I don't know, maybe go get crinkle scarf. I think they call it crinkle or something, but yeah, you can always send a DM to my plug. Like I said, I'm going to drop a handle in the description box below, and it's very affordable. You can get it ASAP before Eid and just rock the styles. And do not forget to tag me in your posts once you rock them. And yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, okay? And one more thing, tag me in your pictures, send me a DM. All my handles are in the description box below: my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and I think Facebook. I'm not sure, but yeah, most of them are right there. All right guys, thank you for sticking for this long. Bye.